Since I shaved my head. A couple of you guys have been asking me, like, Vanessa, where's the hair update? You guys, it has officially been 9 months. I can't believe it's been almost a year since I shaved my head. I can't believe time flew so fast. Like, I was in such a different position, like, in my life, I feel like 9 months ago. So it's so crazy to see, like, how life has changed, and bitch, I'm not bald anymore. So if you have no idea what I'm talking about, yes, back in February, I shaved my head spontaneously. You might have seen the video on Instagram or something of me looking stupid, ripping off my wig. Wait, you guys thought I was really gonna shave my hair? Bitch, I already did. But basically, my hair was really damaged. I'll put some clips right here so you guys can see, but I had bald spots galore. I had a lot of damage from not only dyeing my hair like multiple times in a month sometimes, bleaching it, doing this, doing that, but also I was getting microloop extensions, which if they don't do them properly, you can stab at your head and your hair is gonna fall out. That's exactly what happened to me. I thought I was getting alopecia or something, but in reality, it was literally my extensions that weren't done properly the second time I got them done. The first time was great, but the second time I got them done by some bootleg shop in Scottsdale, Arizona. Do not get your extensions done in Arizona. Don't do it. So after those dusty, crusty Scottsdale bitches that think they know how to do hair, I literally went bald. So that's why I'm here now today to show you guys my hair. Like I said, it has been, oh my goodness. This towel like flattened it. It was nice and poofy. As you guys can see, you can kind of see like my curl pattern coming in, which is super exciting to me because here's an example. Here's what I look like at the 6-month mark. So you guys can kind of see like it was starting to curl in a bit, but now my hair is actually like, it moves! Because before I wasn't able to like shake my head, and now like I don't have to like put these forward. They're naturally just like falling forward, so like length. The last time I did like a little like stretch test, I mean, y'all, my hair is not like curly, so I'm not about to stretch it and it's gonna go woo! I'm gonna kind of show you guys how long it is. I don't know why I decided to wear a black t-shirt to do this, but you can kind of see it stretches about right there. So I am now able to, let's see, let's do a piece in the front. I am now able to wear like little ponytails and stuff. What I have been doing, if you guys follow me on Instagram, as of recently, I've literally just been brushing my hair to the side. And crazy, I literally just brush it to the side right after I get out of the shower. Put a little leave-in conditioner, and I'll either use like a scrunch spray, like a scrunch gel, and I'll just spray all over and just brush it, or I'll get like an actual gel and just little ponytail in the back. I use the really tiny rubber bands that you get from the beauty store for like 500 of them for like $1. That's what I use to make my little miniature buns. But yeah, this is 9 months of hair growth. I can't believe that. Like, I say that every video, like, I can't believe that I'm here, like, but I can't believe it. Like, I was really bald, and that's so crazy to me. Like, looking in the mirror, I'm not satisfied. I'm not really happy with where my hair is right now, but I know that, like, it's gonna be okay. Like, I know in a couple months, I'm gonna have a cute-ass bob, and we're gonna be fine. It's gonna be okay. Because right now, I'm at the point of, like, all I wanna do is slick my hair back. All I wanna do is, like, wear beanies and hats because, I don't know. I already know some of you, or most of you are gonna be like, Vanessa, I love it, it's so cute, leave it alone. No, I do not like it. Right now, I am making a wig. I got this company to send me some weave. I'm trying to make like a bob wig right now. I'm gonna show you guys the only product that I have been using in my hair. So if you watch the previous months of me doing these updates, I have included several products, but literally, this is the one only thing that I use in my hair. I took this with me when I was traveling this past month. This is literally the only product, not because I lost the other one and didn't want to buy it again. But no, this is the only product that I have been using. I need to repurchase it because I think it's down to here already. But this is the Enjoy Conditioning Repair Spray. I got this from that bootleg Scottsdale place. Enjoy is definitely a little bit more expensive. I don't know exactly how much I paid for this because I got this in a bundle with like shampoo, conditioner, brushes, and all that stuff that they scammed me with. So I don't really remember how much this was, but I'm pretty sure it's like 20 bucks, 18 bucks, maybe a little more than that. I'm not sure. You have to buy this from an actual salon. You can't buy this at Walmart, I don't think, or a Target. I'm pretty sure you have to go to like Ulta or something. But this is literally all I do to my hair. Sometimes I'll spray it throughout, like if I'm not doing anything that day and I just leave my hair natural, I'll spray it like maybe like an extra time throughout the day just to add some moisture. So a lot of people roasted me because I straightened my hair like 2 or 3 weeks ago. Yes, I know, I shouldn't have done that. That was the only time that I straightened my hair. I had Daisy do it because one, we were bored at like 3 or 4 in the morning in the hotel and we didn't know what to do. But two, I wanted to see how long my hair was. So that is the only time that you guys will catch me with a straightener through my natural hair. That was the one and only time. But I think I will probably eventually do like another length check, probably at like, what? 12 months, so a year. So crazy, like it's already November and we have December, January, February. We have 3 months left and it's been a year. That's fucking crazy. I don't take hair vitamins. I don't... None of that. I'm not on Hair Burst. I'm not on Sugar Bear hair. Yeah, this is my hair 9 months after shaving my head. For some reason, why is she growling like that? By the way, do you guys see my crusty bedroom right now? My house is getting painted tomorrow, so I'm not trying to like put my furniture together. Everything is still in boxes just because I'm not trying to get paint on everything. I will definitely do a bedroom tour for you guys. I'm not gonna do an entire house tour, like just because I'm scared to. Yeah, not trying to get kidnapped or robbed, because twice in my life my house has already been broken into. And another time I got stolen from somebody that was a cleaner in my home. So like, people love to rob me. But yeah, this is 9 months. For some reason I expected it to be a little longer. Like I really don't know what I was thinking. I thought, oh, in 9 months I'm gonna have a bob. But I remember having a bob and then like 9 months later still having a bob. So I really hope my hair does not do that, where it stops at your shoulders and it does not grow after that. That's why I need to actually like leave it alone and not damage it. Please leave me some advice when it comes to trimming my hair. Should I wait like an entire year and then get like a small trim? Or should I just completely leave it alone and let it go as long as possible? Just because if I'm not damaging it with heat or anything, like why would I need to get my split ends cut? Like would I still need to? I don't know, let me know. So if you've ever done like a big chop, did you just keep getting, you know, haircuts and stuff? Or did you just leave your hair alone completely? So yeah, that's it for today's video. A little short one. Thank you guys for watching. I'm super excited to see where my hair will be in the next couple of months. So you guys will see my next hair update at 12 months, which will be 1 year. I have not been taking pictures every single day like I said I was going to. I flopped on that. But I have been taking at least 1 photo a week. So it is still gonna be like this whole video of like 1 year of hair growth, like day 1 to day 365. So you guys are still gonna see all that. But yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. And if you're bald like me, it's gonna be okay. Bye. If you guys didn't know, I have a limited edition collection with Velvet Caviar. I have 2 phone cases and a key ring. So if you guys are interested in that, like I said, it is limited collection, a limited edition. Go check out the description. I have a link to the website. Whatever puts my heart at ease.